Hello guys, today I am going to demonstrate you a 16-bit operating system which I have created in the 16-bit assembly language. I use 16-bit assembly of Nasm 2.08. Nasm 2.08 version is the only supported version for it. Okay, so if you want to get the source code, you can get the source code from my GitHub, but make sure you use Nasm 2.08 or else it won't be compiled properly. It's loaded from floppy, and let me show you. It's just as you can see over here, it's just 1.4 MB. Okay, so let me turn it on from my virtual machine. So let me enter input. It doesn't support the mouse. It's a basic interface. It just supports keyboard. Okay. So you have the two options when you boot up first. Either you go with the GUI or you go with the command line. First, I'm going to demonstrate you the GUI. So this application is a text editor, and you can edit a text file or the basic programming file. So let me give you example of adding a basic programming file. So yeah, I didn't wanted to save or anything else, modify the file or run it. So I am going to give you, this is the file manager. So it's a 16 byte. You can then let me show you another. I won't delete any file from this, so because it has a limited number of file, and if I delete, then I have to again recreate a floppy image. So, and when you try to execute the kernel, it won't allow you to execute the kernel. Okay, but it does list the kernel. uh, Now this is a viewer. You can view the image files or the text files. So this is example of an image. Let us view a text file. Okay, so first let me hide this. What does serial do is it connects you to a serial pin, but I'm running it a virtual machine, so I won't use it. So let me give you example of this musical keyboard. Alright guys, I'm not that great musician, so let me quit this program. So this is what the main purpose of building this operating system was, to access the registers directly and to have code in machine level code. Okay, so you can directly code into machine level code. It's a bit modification as you need to end the code by the dollar symbol, but you can access the registers directly. So this is the best point of ZahidScratch OS. So let me show you example of a game called Hangman. So you have to guess a city name, okay, and you have to do this within a limit of certain characters. Oh, I was so almost close. I'm not that good in geography. Let me try another time. Oh, what? Yes, I won it. I am not good at geography. So what I did was I copied an entire list of the cities from internet, and I use that. So it doesn't have any much of it. Yeah. So let me give you example of command line. So what this dir command will do, it will list our directories of everything. This will give you the version of the OS. Time will give you time. Date will give you date. And if you want to clear the screen, type CLS simply. And if you get to get that help back, so you type this and you get this help back. Okay. So it doesn't have anything much. I will exit. It has some more commands which are not listed. Okay. So that's all. It is a pretty basic operating system, and the main purpose was to access the registers directly, to directly code into the machine level code, to directly code in hexadecimal. This was the main purpose of writing this operating system, which this fulfills greatly. Okay, and it's not any decent operating system, but it's a pretty good operating system, and it's based on the mikeos. uh, I just took reference from them, and I too developed similar one.